nowhere near the ball.
Walk it off.
Oh, oi, he's 16.
Leave it.
You saw what he did.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay then. Give me 1 minute.
Now you can generate unlimited long-form videos with Seedance 2.0 using Smart Canvas, complete with consistent characters throughout your entire project. You'll also get access to Seedance 2.5, and you get unlimited Seedance 2.5 generation for 1 month, and Seedance 2.0 Mini is included for free for 1 year. In today's video, I'll show you how to replicate trending videos, generate videos in bulk with just one click using Seedance 2.0, and walk you through the complete workflow behind my cinematic football match video. And the best part? You can generate unlimited videos with Seedance 2.0 without writing complicated, high-quality prompts. This platform comes with a powerful AI agent that integrates all the video creation tools you need into one workflow. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. Meet Topview AI. It's an all-in-one AI platform where you can generate almost any type of video simply by chatting with the Topview video agent. This platform also gives you early access to Seedance 2.5, one of the most advanced AI video generators available. On top of that, Topview provides unlimited Seedance 2.0 mini generations, along with access to a wide range of AI video and image models, including both the latest and previous versions. You also get many powerful AI features for creating business videos and social media content. So, from the dashboard, you can access Video Agent, Drama Studio, AI Video, and AI Image. The Video Agent itself offers 3 different versions, but in this video I'm going to select Smart Canvas. Inside the Skills section, you'll find a huge collection of presets for creating ad videos, TV commercials, trending shorts, cinematic videos, and much more. The skill library includes many trending templates that you can use directly as a starting point. Or, if you leave it on auto, the Topview Video Agent will automatically understand your request and select the most suitable skill for your project. You can also upload your own reference images and videos to maintain better consistency throughout your project. For the video model, you can choose from all the Seedance 2.0 models available on the platform. For the agent mode, you'll see 2 options, Agent and Directive Agent. I recommend choosing Agent because it handles the entire workflow step by step, making the creation process much easier. For the AI model, you'll see several options available. I recommend selecting Claude Opus 4.7 for the best overall results. From here, you can either type your prompt directly into the chat or open Smart Canvas to build your project in a visual workspace. Once you are ready, simply click Start Creating, and Topview will open a new Smart Canvas project where you can begin generating your video. You can also choose from these ready-made idea prompts to generate videos instantly. If you don't have an idea yet, these templates are a great place to start. From the left side panel, you can upload your reference images and videos, generate images separately, create videos using any of the available Seedance 2.0 models, and even generate AI sound effects and background music, all within the same workspace. Now, there are basically 2 ways to use Smart Canvas. The old workflow is the traditional method. First, you generate a character image, then use that character to create each scene one by one, convert every scene into a video, and finally combine everything together. It works, but it's time-consuming and requires a lot of manual effort. I recommend using the new Smart Canvas workflow. Simply upload your character reference images, then enter your idea, script, or prompt all at once. The AI agent will understand your request and handle the entire workflow for you, making the video creation process much faster and much easier. So, I'll give the AI my idea along with my character reference images, and then it starts working automatically. First, it generates detailed prompts for each scene. After that, it automatically creates all the character images, builds the storyboard, and prepares the visual elements that will be used throughout the video. Within just a few seconds, all the character images are generated. At this point, the AI asks me to review the characters and confirm whether they look the way I want. If needed, I can regenerate or replace any character before moving on to video generation. Everything looks great, so I'll click Proceed. Now the AI starts generating optimized video prompts for Seedance 2.0. As you can see, It automatically inserts the correct character reference images into the prompts wherever they're needed. Doing this manually would be extremely time-consuming, which is why I highly recommend using the Topview AI agent. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced creators because it automates the entire workflow and saves a huge amount of time. Once everything is ready, the platform begins generating all the video scenes using Seedance 2.0. At this point, you can simply sit back and let the AI handle the entire process automatically. There's nothing else you need to do. Within just a few minutes, all the video scenes are generated, and here's the final result.
Never seen him before.
You need one more? You always wear a watch to play? Always.
Left side, don't touch the ball too much.
Stop the white shirt, whatever it takes. Who are you, man? Where did you come from?
Left side, remember?
He's not even trying. He's literally not even trying.
That was nowhere near the ball.
Walk it off.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, then. Give me 1 minute. Pro secret. Field mode. Quietly.
Field mode engaged. Athletic configuration locked. Faint amber piping through flutter.
What? Bro, what is that?
What is this? You can't play like that.
No rules about the kit. I checked. Different when the other person doesn't go down, isn't it?
He's playing football suit! He is...
Oi, come here.
What?
Your goal. Tap it in.
Are you serious?
Just tap it.
That was you the whole time.
What was me?
The suit, the armor, that was you.
Pro secret.
You gave me the goal.
You earned it. He fouled you.
Still, you could have scored it yourself.
Nothing. Good goal.
As you can see, the final result is amazing. It looks like a real street football match, and everything feels natural. There are no unusual movements, and even my face remains consistent across all the scenes, which is really impressive. You can also use Topview AI to recreate trending videos. Simply upload the original video into Smart Canvas, select the custom video replication skill, enter a simple prompt, and click Generate. Within just a few minutes, the AI creates multiple replicated versions of the video with different styles or variations. It's one of the easiest ways to produce long-form AI videos while saving a huge amount of time. If we talk about pricing, the Ultra Annual Plan is currently on sale. With this plan, you get unlimited GPT image to generation, unlimited Seedance 2.0 mini for 1 year, and access to unlimited Seedance 2.0. You'll also receive early access to Seedance 2.5, which is expected to launch in early July. This special offer is only available with the annual plan, and right now you can save 67%. In addition, you get access to many other AI image and video models included for the entire year. If you are interested, I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.